We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, myself Chirag. Today I am going to discuss Omega Switching Network, topic of computer organization and architecture. This is the figure of Omega Switching Network. Today we will discuss how cell will be reached and how Omega Network will be created, which kind of conflicts arise during the cell reach at destination, and how can it solve. Now see one by one. Let's see. Omega switching network is one kind of multi-stage switching network. Now you can see over here there are the multi-switching at different levels. It is shown in figure. It is used to control network, to control processor memory communication in a tightly coupled or a loosely coupled system. So mostly it is used in multiprocessor system. In this configuration there is exactly one path from each source to any particular destination. Some request pattern, however, cannot be connected simultaneously. As the binary pattern moves through the network, each level examines a different bit to determine the 2x2 switch setting. We will discuss later on how it can generate a pattern and how can it reach from source to destination. A particular request is initiated in the switching network by the source. The source will request to reach at the destination, which sends a 3-bit pattern representing the destination number. So if any cell comes at port number 1, and its cell wants to reach at 100, so it generates the path first, and then cell will be reached to 100 through the established path. Level 1 inspect the most significant bit, level 2 inspect the middle bit, and level 3 inspect the least significant bit. If any of the cell wants to reach at 100, so first bit is most significant bit, it is 1, so this is level 1 switches, so it is identified by level 1 switches. Second one is 0, this is identified middle level switches, and last one is 0, is identified by last level switches. Omega network has self-routing property. How can it route? We will discuss later on. It works for each possible input. The interconnection between stages are defined by the logical rotate left of the bits used in the port IDs. Now you can see over here, for example, this is 001, it is connected to 010, it is connected to 100, and this is again connected to 001. So over here you can see this is the rotate left. So 001, 010, 100, and 001. If bit is 0, then send cell to the upper port of the switch, and if bit is 1, then cell out to the lower port of the switch. How to construct 8x8 Omega network? So this all level switches over here. This is level 1, level 2, and level 3. How can it create? Now check 011, so 3 is the source, and again 3 is the destination. So how can it construct this network? Now check, first bit is 011. What happened next? So 011 circular left perform, it is 110, so it comes at 110, this is 110, and it comes at over here from 011 to 110. Now again circulate left. Before circulate left, which kind of output port it will be selected? Now check, so first bit is 0, over here first bit is 0, so it gone through the upper port of the switch, so it reached at 0. Why? Because the destination is 011, so first bit is 0, it is the most significant bit determined by the level 1 switches. Now again rotate left, so 110 converted it 101, so from this level 1 switch to level 2 switch, this is 101, so it reached here. Now what happened next? Second bit is 1, identified by the level 2 switches, so it goes to the output port number 1. Now again rotate left, so this is 0 1 1, so from level 2 to level 3. Now, so what is our last bit? It is 1, so it is connected through this, and this is the path is established between 0 1 1 to 0 1 1. Now check, this is the 8x8 Omega network connection. Example of self routing in Omega network. First of all, we can see over here, this is the 4 number cell is over here, source is 1 and destination is inside the cell is written over here, it is 4. So now this is the destination. How can it reach? Check this. So first of all, see, this is the 100, 4 is equal to 100, so it comes over here through the path. Now it is connected to 1. Why? Because our first bit is 1, most significant bit is. Now connected to next switch. Now what is the path? It is 0, so it connected with 0. Now go to the next level switch again over here, and last bit is 0. See over here. So 4 number cell is reached at the destination number 4. Path contention or cell loss. This is the disadvantage of Omega switching network. In path contention, sometimes happens like that. Two cells come at simultaneously and pass through the one switch to another switch to next level switch. At that time, sometimes conflict arise and one of the cell will be lost. Now see the example. One is 4 and 5, both are the destinations, comes from different source. Now check. Now here we can see there is the path conflict arise like that. Binary of the 4 is 100 and binary of the 5 is 101. So at middle level switches both conflict at 0 0. Now check. So this is the conflict arise. During conflict arise, at that time the higher order bit number 5 is the higher number in compared to 4, so it will win and 4 is lost. So 5 is forward to next level switch and 5 is reached. So this is called path contention or cell loss. How to solution of path contention or cell loss? One of the solution given here, a solution is batch or sorter. One solution to the contention problem is to sort the cells into the ascending order based on the desired destination port. We will discuss later on during the solution of this example. Done using a Bitonic sorter called a batcher. Place the M cells into gap free, increasing the sequence of the first M input ports, and the eliminates duplicate destination. Now how to solve this? So all the destination port number cell is in ascending order as per the solution, and there is no gap between the source. So 0 1 2 3 4 5, so there is no gap between them, and there is no duplication. Destination is that. Now see what happened. Total 6 cells are there, 0 1 3 4 6 7. Check properly. There is no conflict arise and all the cells reach at destination safely. So this is the solution of path contention or cell loss in Omega switching network. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel on YouTube, Chirag Balodia. Press bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you.